Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something super handy: how to add a pass to your Apple Wallet directly from an email in 2025. Whether it's a boarding pass for your next flight, a concert ticket, or even a loyalty card, this feature saves you time and keeps everything organized in one place. If you're always on the go, this is a game changer you won't want to miss. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your iPhone or Apple device is running the latest iOS update for 2025. This ensures all the new features work smoothly. Now, open the email that contains the pass. It's usually from an airline, event organizer, or retailer. Look for an attachment or link that says something like "Add to Apple Wallet." Once you spot it, tap on it to open the pass preview. Next, you'll see a prompt asking if you want to add the pass to your wallet. Go ahead and tap Add. It's that straightforward. Your device might ask for confirmation, so just follow the on-screen instructions. If it's your first time, you may need to grant permission for wallet access, but don't worry, it's quick and secure. After that, the pass will appear in your Apple Wallet app. Open Wallet to verify it's there. You can even customize it if needed. Pro tip: if the pass doesn't show up, double-check that your email app is up to date and try restarting your device. This feature works best with supported passes, so ensure the sender is using compatible formats. And just like that, you're all set. Adding passes from email in 2025 is faster and more intuitive than ever. Give it a try on your next digital ticket, and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more Apple tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.